Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. Hope you're all doing well. So Mohit, what we gonna react on today?
So today we're gonna see an Indian celebrity who is very famous in Indian television, and also he have done many movies, but now unfortunately he is no more. He died in 2021. Yeah, because of a cardiac arrest, and they took him into the hospital and there he died. But he was very famous, and also he was the winner of Big Boss season 13. The Big Boss is same like American have Big Brother.
So he was not an old person?
No, he died at the age of 40.
Okay.
Yeah, suddenly, because he was very fit, everything was so. I think it was in COVID time.
Oh, okay.
So everybody was very much shocked. Yeah, so we will see his iconic performance which he did in Big Boss. Yeah, so are you excited?
Yes, of course. Let's go.
He was the one.
He been in Bollywood too?
Yeah, some movies. Perfect example of give respect, take respect.
Have you seen his movies?
No. This season was very popular because of him. One of the most famous in Big Boss.
We have Big Brother in Nova too. It's long
फिर आप
time.
मुझे समझाइए ऐसी लड़की का क्या मतलब?
सर ऐसी मतलब रश्मि देसाई जैसी। अब वो रश्मि देसाई जैसी जैसी भी है वैसी हो।
Straightforward.
तू उसके लायक है और अगर
It's really like drama.
मैंने छोड़ दिया वो। गलती से ही अगर अभी हाथ लगाता ना निकलता मैं तो इन तीनों को फोड़ दिया था।
Okay.
बहुत कंट्रोल कर लिया अभी। हर चीज में कंट्रोल चुप बैठा हूं तो फिर नाटक।
He was like one man army.
बोलेगा कोई भी। मंदिर का कोई बचा के जाएगा और मैं सुनता रहूंगा।
कमाल है।
हाँ? तेरी वीकनेस है इनको पता है। क्या वीकनेस है? कोई वीकनेस के स्ट्रेंथ है मेरी। समझा? वीकनेस होती पहले हफ्ते में तोड़ दिया तो सबको।
दरवाजा खोल देता हूं, आप जाओ तबीयत से एक दूसरे को मारो और वापस घर के अंदर आ जाओ।
Let's go. This was the famous dialogue you can say, but he did. They tried to copy this.
4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 भाड़ में जाओ। मैं तुम लोग से यहाँ पे रिश्ता बनाने नहीं आया। समझ में आया ना? समझ में आया? मेरे को चाटने की जरूरत नहीं है। झूठ में रहने की आदत नहीं है। तुम लोग को जो करना है करो, जितना अकेले रहने रहो, मेरे को फर्क नहीं पड़ता है। समझ में आया ना?
Iconic dialogue. They both had a very big fight in that show. That Asim, he is from J&K, Jammu and Kashmir. These are the tasks which Big Boss give them.
They?
Yeah, these are also one of them. There are a lot of tasks to become the captain.
क्योंकि आप मुझे 10 साल से जानते हैं, मैं आपको 10 साल से जानता हूं। मैं आपको 10 साल से जानता हूँ। आपकी बहुत बड़ी गलतफहमी है। आपकी याददाश्त बहुत कमजोर है। मेरी? तो फिर आप शायद याद रखने लायक नहीं होंगे।
वैन वाओ वो देख लेंगे बात। अभी तो क्या
करेगा?
It's like they used to say, come out, I will see you outside. Because there they can't touch each other
तो
physically.
मैं उठ के
They
बात
can
करता हूं।
argue
या
outside.
आपके पास ऑप्शन है चलो
He's asking, come out now.
जाओ आ जा सुन सिद्धार्थ गए बात
I don't want to fight with him. Right? You'll be dying to do that.
डेट पर किसके साथ जाना चाहेंगे?
इनके साथ जैकेट सिद्धार्थ
सिद्धार्थ तो एक तो
सिद्धार्थ
black jacket.
फुल डिमांड है भाई.
Like he was one of the most popular celebrity in the show too. A lot of people knows him.
अगर अपनी जवानी को सुना दूं किससे, ये जो लौंडे हैं मेरे पाँव दबा दे.
Angry man.
भागा से
तेरे बाप का घर है
पता है तेरे को ये मेरा जंजीर का अमिताभ बच्चन है सिद्धार्थ एंग्री यंग
Angry young man. Because in Bollywood, Amitabh Bachchan, old man, he is known as angry man.
He's known as Angry Man.
Because in his movies, he was very angry.
सीजन जीत के गया है 1 man against 14 people. यहाँ पर मुझे एक ऐसा आदमी दिखा दो, सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला, 1 man against everyone.
Yeah, it was.
तो आज बिग बॉस के उस विनर का बर्थडे है जो हमारे बीच नहीं रहे. तो आज का एपिसोड आपके नाम, The Irreplaceable Siddharth Shukla. You left us too soon, buddy. Missing you and wishing you on this very special day.
So how was the video?
Video was good. I have never seen this guy before.
No, he is in many very famous movies, but like not like a leading character, but like a supporting role. In some scenes he will come like a side character, you can say. But on TV he was very famous. He was like a main lead role. He got on TV.
The boss.
Like a lover boy also, angry boy also, like this. So yeah, and he was like one of the contestant in that season 13, which was like everybody liked to see him because nobody can predict what he will do tomorrow, whom he gonna fight, what he gonna do. But it was true that he was like 1 against 14, one man army, you can say, and he won also.
Because he is really straightforward. He
Yeah.
just say whatever he wants.
And also
it's
very
not
strong also personality, and like you can say that by his looks that you can't predict what he gonna do next. He can be very calm also, and next moment he can be very angry.
Then it's quite entertainment.
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
And that's why when the news came out, everybody was very much shocked that how can this happen.
Of course, because he was young.
Hmm.
So nobody expecting to die at that age, but
Yeah.
it can happen.
Yeah. So yeah, the video was good.
Yeah, the video was good.
Yeah, and we hope you guys also like this video, and if you guys want us to make part 2, just comment down and let us know. We can make video on him, right?
Yes, we can.
Yeah. So we end this video here. We hope you guys like this video, and if you guys are new on this channel,
Please subscribe to our channel.
and also please don't forget to hype the video. So we see you guys in next video. Till then,
Bye bye.